Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see, we're going to make a chickpea curry or a Chana Masala. So we're going to need 1 can of cooked chickpeas, some tomatoes, chopped onions, garlic, ginger, some fresh chilies, some cumin seeds to start it off with, fresh coriander or cilantro, and today I'm going to use some curry powder. So in some hot oil, let's get those cumin seeds in and just cook them just for a few seconds, 30-40 seconds, let them splutter. We're now going to add the garlic, the ginger and our onions, and we're going to cook that for about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, now we can get the tin chickpeas in. If you're using tin chickpeas, make sure you give them a nice wash. That water they come in is not so good. And we're going to cook those just for a couple of minutes. Okay, now we're going to add in the curry powder, or separate spices if you wanted, the chopped chili, the fresh tomatoes, and a touch of water. Now if you've got nice ripe tomatoes, you're going to get a nice masala. But yeah, touch of water. We're going to cook that for 5 or 6 minutes, I suppose. And there you go. Nice bit of masala there. If you didn't get a nice masala, you could put a touch of water in. We're going to add some salt, the fresh coriander, and we're going to let that cook for about another 2 to 3 minutes only, and we're ready to serve. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below as well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.